want to tell everybody your cuts. Okay. Check the next one. That's also number 1. Yep. It's not very clear, but should be good to go. They're all coming up the same. Would you have no cuts on the key at all?
What do you mean?
Like the depth of the key is very like no teeth.
Oh.
At least that's what it's reading. Unless it's not reading right, but they're all. That's okay, that's different. Let me check that one again. All right, I need an expert. What does that look like? I'm gonna go with that one up there. What do you think? It's either that or that, which are two opposites. However, we can check it with this one. So it's like a 6. Now I'm confusing myself. They all look the same, like it's not reading anything. If you had to guess, what would you say? This bottom one?
What exactly am I looking at here?
Oh, we're comparing that picture to that. I think that's a 1.
The bottom one?
Yeah, right? Alright, bottom one. And the next one. Uh-oh, I took another picture, that's okay. Uh-oh. Same, the bottom one again? Or the top one? I said the top.
Yeah.
Okay, 6-1. So I read that wrong. Okay, next one. Those two are kind of confusing, you know? Top again? It's gotta be, there's nothing in there.
Yeah.
That's number 3. Top again?
Yeah, I think.
Man, it's been hard for me to read this thing lately. Nothing in there at all. 6. Let's check the. Oh, I checked the last one. Man, that's weird. They all look the same, huh? It's coming up like that, which is like weird. I want to see that bottom one. It's supposed to be the new key.
There you go.
Yeah.
You can cut the key.
So they gave you 2 different keys, huh? Okay, so all you do is take your key that works here, you turn it to the 3 o'clock, you press that little pin in, pull this key out, new key. Let's do, okay, that's the one I cut, I think. Okay. Now that's the new key. Where's the other one? This one?
What the hell? How'd you do that?
Oh, the quick set rekey. Now this key won't even work anymore.
So then these are my keys then.
That's it.
All right. Thank you.
I'll recycle this.
So all the same key. Estos.